I hope you guys can see us. What's up? It's Mariah and Crystal. We're rolling. Oh,
hey y'all.
Let me take off these.
Hey guys.
Hey guys. What's up, guys? We're on our way to St. Augustine, Florida, to fish with Blake Star Energy for the next couple of days. So I figured we'd let you in on some
Blake Star. It's Blake Star Energy.
Blake Star.
Blake Star. Blake Star.
10 calories.
Zero sugar. Shout out to Blake Star Energy. If you guys aren't drinking it, whoa.
Perfect. Whoa. Perfect 10 flavors.
You should be.
Are we shaking?
It's been our added mixture to vodka lately, so
yeah,
it's really good.
It goes great with alcohol.
This isn't a sponsored ad. We just really love Blake Star. So, anyways, we're on our way to St. Augustine to fish with Blake Star Energy drink.
Yep.
We just figured we would.
We were supposed to be in a sailfish tournament for the next couple of days, but the winds are like 25 plus knots and the seas are like 7 to 8. Which, normally we would just do it, but I guess everyone else is scared, so.
Don't be scared.
We're scared, so we're gonna do some inshore fishing instead, and I hope that the water's not too murky. We catch some stuff. Either way, I think we're gonna have fun.
It's just nice to be on a boat, regardless.
It is good, and we're back. We're back with our adventures again. I feel like lately we've been a little bit consumed with other things, but
yeah, I kind of liked quarantine better. Sadly,
I mean, I love our governor, but maybe we should shut down again.
Maybe
we could just fish
be a lot of
time,
fun.
Though.
Be drinking by 9 o'clock in the morning again.
I mean, you can't start if you don't start earlier, however that saying is. But yeah, anything else? I mean, I could leave you guys rolling, but we might see some things that we regret later. Let me show you this traffic. Oh, it doesn't do it justice.
Very exciting. So what kind of fish do we want to catch? I mean, we'll catch anything, but I still want to catch a wahoo.
Ooh, unfortunately that won't be happening this weekend.
No, but that's on the list of we want to go see our homegirl, Katie, in Louisiana.
We are going to Louisiana a bunch actually between
Pelican charters.
So we're going to Costa Rica in January to fish, Crystal and I, and then we're going to Louisiana twice, Venice, Louisiana, to fish with Kato.
Yep, and then we might go to Barbados.
We might be going to Barbados.
Be going to the Bahamas.
You know what? We might be going to the Bahamas. We're gonna.
So you guys should really subscribe to our channels.
Link in the bio.
Because there's more videos to come.
Yeah, you'll just stay tuned.
Hey.
What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode Fishing with Mariah. We are here in St. Augustine fishing with Blake Star Energy, and if you want to meet the man, the myth, and the legend, that guy in the background, that's Bobby. We're inshore fishing because our sailfish tournament got canceled and it's a little bit windy. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but I'm super excited. Couple more days in a row of fishing. Today's day 1. All right, this is day 1. Fishing in St. Augustine. We got
Crystal.
Bobby Blake, Blake Star Energy drink.
Woo woo! And the captain.
Captain Robert Johnson from St. Augustine, Florida, with Jody Lynn Charters.
Ooh, you guys heard it. Links below.
Hey, glad you're in the middle, Mariah.
Fight her off. We all can see this. Try and snag Bobby in the ear.
Yeah, just tell me when to touch.
Take Bobby's ear.
I'm a team player.
You got a rockfish. Captain's got a rockfish. We got Crystal over here. We got the man, the myth, the legend, Bobby up at the front. And me.
Well, what happened? Take it out.
What'd she get? Oh, that's amazing. Hey, you know what? We got a fish in the boat. Look at those 2 planes. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, Bobby looks like he's on, but pretty sure that he got a rockfish.
Take your time.
Oh, come on. This is what we're catching today, guys. It's not a big deal. I'm gonna stick it back in my pants.
Stay off me.
We're always hooking up. Then we gotta get Captain to save the day. Crystal's freezing right now. It's very entertaining. The conditions aren't that bad.
Yeah, but
Bobby hasn't fallen in yet, so keep waiting.
And,
3 fish in the boat so far.
who caught those 3 fish?
2 and 1, and Bobby's losing.
Bobby, you're
Am I making you guys sick yet?
hey,
So far, Bobby hasn't actually caught any fish. Not that mine counts. Mine was this big.
I mean, I thought you said catch
who
fish,
caught the
not
fish?
minnows.
This one.
Hey, you know, I wouldn't have starved. I've just been a little hungry.
I mean, we're gonna have to go by the grocery store.
I know, we're not. No
But I
one's,
wouldn't bet against it.
no one's bringing home the bacon.
Captain.
Don't be jinxing.
No, we're not jinxing. Come on, man, I got faith.
Hooked up. It should be. Oh, it's a trout.
Oh, she got a trouty.
I got a trout. He's not real big, but he's cute. Oh,
Want a video?
yeah. Look it. Got a trout with my own filming skills.
Yeah, he's not a 15-incher, but he's a pretty fish.
He's pretty.
Spot.
I feel good about this new spot. Super calm over here.
Could be.
Crystal says hers is big. This is called the Holy Hole.
Okay.
And now the rain is coming in, so I can't guarantee anything. But maybe this will bring us good luck. Right, Bobby?
Yes, absolutely. Let's
Good
go.
luck, I think so. Maybe we should crack open a Blake Star too. That'll just bring us Apparently I have an alfalfa thing going on, and Crystal just now told me.
No, I took my shrimp off.
Sorry.
I gave it up.
That's called rain right there. Next to
Rain is a good thing.
the holy hole.
We're in the holy hole, and Ryan forgot a rain jacket. Sucks to be her.
And that's rain. It might be snow at this point. We don't really. Oh yeah. All right, you can let him go. No, no picture in the poncho. Bye. Look at Bobby and I. Oh, like there's a raindrop on her.
All right.
Captain's hooked up.
You don't want to catch him? Y'all want
No, you got this.
No, we like.
Oh, okay.
Thousands of fish in my life.
Bobby's stuck right now, so Captain's gonna let me catch it. Oh my God! Don't show anyone that.
All over here.
We won't tell anybody.
Reeling.
Don't tell anyone that I'm doing this right now.
Well, I don't think you're gonna want to tell anybody in your purple getup.
Tanner, don't lose that
Might be a
fish.
jack crevalle. We're doing a lot of running around for redfish. It is a big jack crevalle.
No.
Yeah, I mean a good one.
Here we go. Oh, he's mad.
Yeah, not what we wanted, but hey, it's a fish.
We gotta take some pictures with him. And our Blake Star. That's a good one. Yes. Yes.
Bobby's got a fish.
Yeah, I got that.
Get naked. Get naked.
I gotta take this off to be able to take pictures.
Is it still recording?
Oh
Yours?
no! Dad, gummit.
Dadgummit, Bobby.
That was a good one.
Okay, what do I get out of this?
I've been redfish there.
She's trying. Hey, she's trying to take her clothes off so she can take a picture with the fish. Cause y'all want to see her in a poncho.
This in their life.
Hang on. Oh, you're not gonna get purple in there?
No. Do well. I got my first sheep's
I didn't say
head.
that out loud, did I?
No, yeah, you did. So exciting.
My sheephead.
Bobby's on.
Oh,
He got the biggest catch of the day.
No,
You would have thought it was a big old bobcat because he almost took me off the freaking.
Look at this thing.
Aw,
Hey, you know what?
So cute.
If you hold them out in front of you far enough, they look massive. Do what all the chicks do.
Bobby, you're a champion.
And just like that, we're back at the dock. We caught all sorts of different fish, trout, jacks. Caught my first sheephead.
Let's go. Hey, it was rough and windy out there today, but we fought through it and we still wet a hook. Let's go.
Always a good day with Blake Star Energy and my girl Mariah.
Crystal looks like she's freezing.
I'm freezing, you guys, like
Hey,
permanently.
we still made it out there when others didn't.
Yeah,
You know what?
we went out today.
Right. And
We're not
I
scared.
like hot stuff, so.
Yeah.
Cuddle sorts, and it's a little bit nippy for Florida, but tomorrow's another new day. That is bright. And we'll see you tomorrow. This poor guy has to deal with us again tomorrow.
Captain, any words for the end of the day?
Well, hopefully they'll bite better in the morning.
Let's go.
I don't think the pelican can eat their sheep.
No, probably not. Good morning. Welcome to day 2. Say hi to Cap'n down there.
You saying Cap'n? or
Cap'n. Cap'n. It's a little bit windy out here. It rained pretty good this morning. So it could be a little bit of an interesting one. Crystal's still here. Bobby's somewhere. Blake Star Energy. Let's go. We're at the first spot of the second day. No big deal, but I caught the first fish. It might have been it might have been a baby jack, but that's okay. And you can tell we're all bundled up. It's a little bit chilly. It might be, get that gas.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's so big.
Oh, look at that thing.
Right. That's not what we want.
Shots. Bobby's up.
Bobby. Shots are on Bobby.
Bobby.
Good trout over here. I got
You
him.
want some
Yeah.
pictures? You can sort of hold the line like that. Maybe it'd be the easiest thing.
Crystal up again.
It's a little mangrove snapper.
I think it's gonna be a monster.
It's so big. Oh God, Bobby's in my way. Look.
Oh no, look, we got some line hooked up.
Sounds about right.
Little baby tacos. Trout. No, you're good.
No, that's awesome.
Hooked up to a big old trout.
Hey, we keep going up and down.
So far, Crystal and I bringing home the bacon. And just like that, we got trout in the box. We are headed under this sweet bridge to head back. But we're gonna be eating good tonight. Got some knots in my hair. Oh shoot, we're on. It's starting to rain. Bobby just hooked up to a big old bluefish. Let me show you guys. Whoa.
Get him bouncing around in there.
Good job, Bobby.
Had to break the ice or something.
Whoa. And yeah, now it's starting to really rain. As you can tell from the water spots. Yep. Okay, so you guys can't see because it looks sunny, but it's actually like downpouring on us. Hence the poncho. Because what did Mariah do? She forgot her rain jacket. Did you hear that? It's coming down like crazy. And it's sunny. What is this? Welcome to Florida. We got Bobby Blake Star all bundled up in
How you
this
doing?
poncho. Oh, the captain's smart. I don't want to talk about her. Look at, she's like dripping wet. Ooh.
Pretty.
That's how we do. Captain's back here fishing on us. Catches
I think
the second
he's,
flounder of the day.
I am trying.
We're gonna measure him.
I'm gonna measure him, but I would say this guy's about 13 inches. So
Has to be 14.
has to be 14, so it'd have to go to 28 there from 14 to.
Not
He
quite.
is like so close.
So
Wow, he is like.
day 3. Just arrived at the Conch House Marina, same marina that we've been out the last 2 days. It's a Cat 3 out here.
It's getting really wet.
It's getting wet out here.
Coming in.
Storm is definitely actually coming in, but you know,
From about to get.
We're gonna do it
really
anyways. I feel like we're not scared of anything at this point. We're fishing with Jacob today.
wet today.
My commentary in the back is the best. We've got Bobby with Blake Star Energy over there. I've got my 9-pack. We're gonna do this. Inshore fishing, stay tuned. Captain Jacob, what did you say to us earlier?
I don't know. I'm not good under pressure.
It's not good under
You just have
pressure.
to roll. He said.
The fish are already wet, is what he
Hey,
said.
listen up real quick.
Kaylin,
And this.
conditions out here are rainy.
You're so sunny
With-
and warm. It's like beautiful.
Kaylin, tell us about your morning.
We woke up, rolled out of bed, went to the boat, and then the beach.
Sounds solid.
Yeah.
Crystal, how'd your morning go?
It's fabulous. So excited for this sunny day on the boat with fish, jumping in the boat. Mariah, 970.
Hey, it's not a big deal, but I caught the first fish today.
Yeah, why don't you tell them what you caught?
Doesn't matter what I caught, but I...
It's a catfish!
All right, Bobby on his first.
Hey, breaking ice today.
Crystal's hooked up. Tell us about this fight, Crystal.
They like mess with you.
I don't know if you can say that word on YouTube, but it's fine.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, you like swallowed it. How was it? First, I didn't think he was on there, you know?
Stuff again.
Oh, I can feed my family. Oh, yay!
I'm gonna have to pick through some rats.
Picking through rats.
They're gonna bring their daddy soon. I keep catching
At least we're catching.
Yeah, that's true. At least I'm not just a catfish now.
Pretty little fish too.
that tail. Party.
There you go, Bob.
Oh, Bobby's
Bobby's
on.
up.
I'm gonna grab my.
That's where you're thinking. Bobby, what you got? These conditions are amazing.
That was a nice fish.
Oh, he really led me up for that one. Kaylin, you hooked up?
I had a big old bobcat.
It's really coming down out here.
Harry Willie?
Harry, Willy Billy.
Lenny. Lenny? What's it called, Cap?
Harry.
Harry? Lenny.
Dang it, well. What you catching up there?
Rocks.
Rocks? I'm smacking Crystal with my pole back here.
It's so dangerous.
These conditions are rough. But at least the sun is out. Wait, can you repeat what you just said?
It's about barnacles have the largest what's the proper terminology for it?
The largest what? Cap? Can you say or on YouTube?
Is
This is gonna be hard to edit later.
I'm trying to think of a better word for it. Like penile.
Wait,
What's the
Have a
emoji?
giant
I like
purse
this.
size. In relationship size.
In relationship.
Is it pregnant?
Why does it have a
What is that?
toadfish with
Did
a...
you guys see its belly? It's bloated.
It's got...
Ew.
It needs...
I mean, I touch a lot of things, but this just looks
I would
weird.
definitely not manhandle that.
Alright. You got fish on there, Bobby?
It's so like
Slimy?
toady. Here, let me get this
Let
out.
me hold your rod.
Ew. Ew. Just look at its little stupid face. It's not gonna hurt me, is it?
No idea.
This toadfish won't hurt me, right?
Yeah, well,
It will?
Oh goodness.
Now we ready to fish.
Let's go.
Get serious now.
All right, serious time. Playtime's over.
Up. Oh, Oh, this is a
big one.
monster.
That's probably about the biggest one
Actually,
we've seen.
just missed Caitlin catching a really big sea trout, so I'll show you that in a second. And just like that, day 3 with, I don't even know, Blake Star in St. Augustine, Florida is complete.
We're still winning.
So many days of fishing and it was fabulous. This is Bobby, the man, the myth, the legend behind Blake Star. Jacob over there.
Where'd Crystal go?
Jacob cutting up these trout that we just smacked. You guys should look him up. Fish Hardy in St. Augustine. Oh, it's Bobby again. And just like that, we're done. Stay tuned for more adventures. And everybody's links are below. Today was Fish Hardy. Yesterday we were with Jody Lynn. I'll put all that information below as well. Anybody that was here today, you'll find them all down below. Comment away, let me know what you want to see next. Much love.